This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should confirm the gift card amount and expiry first and copy the code exactly. Open the Swiggy app or website and sign in with your existing account. If you don't have one, create it now. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet or payments section. That's where you add vouchers and gift cards. Make sure your app is updated, because older versions sometimes hide the redeem option. Now, get ready to paste or type the code precisely into the redeem field. Now you'll redeem the card. Choose Add Gift Card or Apply Voucher in Wallet. Enter the code exactly. I recommend copying and pasting to avoid a typo, because one wrong character will fail. After submitting, wait for the confirmation pop-up and check that the wallet balance reflects the gift card amount. If it doesn't show immediately, refresh the app or reopen Wallet. Once you see the updated balance, proceed to Browse Restaurants and add items to your cart while the credit waits to be applied. At checkout, select Wallet Credit or Gift Card as the payment method so the redeemed balance is applied automatically. If the balance doesn't cover the full order, choose a secondary payment method to pay the difference. This mixed payment approach ensures the gift card is used first. If the card can't be applied, double-check the code, expiry, and any regional or restaurant restrictions, and make sure your app is updated. If problems persist, contact Swiggy support with the gift card code and transaction details for a quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.